Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today, yes, I have the Shirogorov Quantum here with me for a quick review. This is fantastic, guys. Made by Shirogorov in Russia. Hand ground blade, 8.75 inch long when open, 5 inch long handle, fantastic M390 blade. This is a Persian style blade, 3.75 inch long with this this is stone wash, guys. Yeah, it's unbelievable. It's out of this world. It's I don't know. This is the sound this guy makes. What is it? What kind of sound is this? Ridiculous. It's just, I don't know. This guy is ridiculous. This is 4.6 ounces. The clip is a work of art, 3D milled titanium. Fit and finish is insane. There is nothing to this level. The grip is absolutely perfect. No hot spots, absolutely smooth, extremely fast deployment. This is fast, guys. It's stupidly fast. Detent dialed in, runs on bearings, multi-row. I don't know, guys. If you want to know more, yeah, just check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.